Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we will take a look at how to make vegan sweetened condensed milk. Trust me, this will instantly become a staple in your kitchen. Prepare a medium-sized pot and put in 2 cups of soy milk powder, followed by 1 cup of sugar. Dry whisk it so it combines well together. Bear in mind that other sweeteners than sugar will make it taste differently. Set your stove to medium heat, add 1 cup of water and whisk it all properly together. When it's all combined properly together, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and another quarter of a cup of water. Add yet another cup of water, whisk until boil, then set to low heat and continue whisking for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your stove, or simply until you see the milk getting thick and creamy. It's really important that you keep whisking constantly, because it burns very easily. Switch off the stove, cool it down a little bit and use sieve to strain the remaining lumps. You can use a rubber spatula to help with the process. And that's it. Go get yourself a shot of whiskey to wash down all the whisking. Pour the milk into your favorite jar and when it's completely cooled down, store in the fridge. You should definitely give the sweetened condensed milk a go. Let us know how it went for you down below, and as always, like, subscribe and share. Take care, thanks for watching, and don't forget, you can veganize anything. Let's make this world a better place. See you next week.